How to change background on Canva app. The first thing you do is log into your Canva after opening the app. Then you choose it. Let's say I want to change a new design. Let's say I want to change the background picture of this particular one. The next thing I'm going to do, press down on it until it is highlighted. The four sides are highlighted. The background itself is highlighted, not the elements in it. You press down on it. You see this one is highlighting a particular element. No, now this is for the background. You can see it's written here background. No, on the background itself. Then you see, go down and you see this. So if you want to change the color, I want to change it to black and it looks like this, or I want to change it to red. So this is how to change the background color. And if you don't want to use the color, you want to use a picture, you can just click on replace and pick from your gallery or uploads or photos or videos, or you can pick from background itself here. So here you choose different backgrounds. Let's say I want to use this one. Click on it, and that's it. You can see the background has changed. It's as simple as that. So you can also use pictures and stuff. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, like and subscribe to the channel for more. Thanks for watching.